Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a very simple and basic house in Blender for beginners. This is very simple house for beginners. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is very simple and basic house model in Blender. Very simple house. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.